All right, today we're gonna bring some car dollies. This is for your tires to move around your car. So if you're a car collector or you have cars that don't move, this is another way to move them. All right, and this could also move trucks. I'm gonna put exactly how much weight you can actually move with this. Now, I was concerned at first because I was like, say, if I set this up, it's gonna roll the car out. But look at this. There's actually locks in here, right? So locking it in place, just step on it. All right, make sure you step on it hard, and this thing won't move anywhere. Only the two back ones here have the lock, the ones that are going to stick out. So when you're ready to move your car, you can just lift them up. All right, lift them up. Be careful with your finger. Move it away, and you're able to go. So I'm going to slide this in here. Make sure this is sticking out on your car. All right, and we're going to set it up on our tires here. See how it goes. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's put that. All right, so we have it on all four. You guys see I got brakes on the other side. Got brakes here because I'm gonna push it towards the back. All right, we're gonna take the brakes off one first, and then all you gotta do is push in the car. I'm gonna spin it around slowly because we're like in a downhill. As you can see, I just moved it one direction. We're gonna put it back. To remove them, make sure you do brakes, all right, prior to taking them off. Lift it. Make sure you get enough clearance. Don't ever put your hand underneath of it. Just grab in the corner. That's pretty much it. Final one. Slide it out. Bring the car down. That's it. Hope you guys enjoy the video.